All right. Hello. Week 9. We have kind of a weird week this week because obviously this is the week that all of you are coming back to school on Wednesday and Thursday. And so no school Monday, no school Tuesday for any of you. But then on Wednesday, you will all be back, and this will be week 9. The A students will come on Wednesday, the B students on Thursday. The expectation, as we were doing way back in the beginning of the school year, is that you're here both days. Just to give you an idea what the schedule is going to look like, you will need to be here from 10:06 to 10:53 through the Google Meet, depending on which day you are not physically at school. So we are going to have 2 days of class. That Friday is still considered like an attendance day, so technically it's like 3 days of class. So just write this down. I'm sure you'll get emails and all kinds of stuff about this coming up, but from 10:06 to 10:53, if you're not physically in class, you do need to check into the Google Meet. So what are we doing this week? This week we are continuing with the ideas of the growth of industrialization. We're going to start out the first day looking at a little crash course video and doing a little bit of kind of an in-depth background look at the idea of industrialization. So all you're going to do for this is log in, watch the video. If you're in class, you'll be able to sit here and watch the video with us, and we'll talk a little bit about it. I'll have the Google Meet on, but it's going to be kind of hard for me to talk to everybody. If you have questions in the Google Meet, please feel free to ask. But it's a pretty straightforward idea of kind of how the Industrial Revolution impacted the Americas, extending on those ideas of Reconstruction, or not Reconstruction, of the market revolution and what we did last week. The next step of this is we're going to start looking at how that then impacted Canada and how Canada started to change socially as a result of those elements. And so we're going to be kind of doing a different thing in here as far as a presentation of this. So if you're in class, you're going to be participating in a presentation of this YouTube video that I have up. If you're not in class, you can either check in and pay attention to what I'm doing in class as far as the B day, or you can just watch this presentation that I've done on YouTube. There really is no specific assignment that you have to do for this. It's just more being able to take notes and have this information, because next week we're then going to use this as part of an assignment and a summative that you have to do for that class. So I'm kind of keeping it light this week just because we got a lot of transition and change, and I didn't want to overwhelm you with a bunch of assignments. Just keep in mind that we have just about 3 weeks left in the trimester, and I'm going to try to make this kind of end at the end of this unit of the market revolution and westward expansion and the impact on social change, so that you have kind of a final summative. Other than that, looking forward to seeing everybody here that at least one day this week, and making sure that we're all straight with everything that we need to do. All right. If you have any questions, please send me an email, or hey, ask me either Wednesday or Thursday when you're here.